Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee Seward County, northern Steele County, southern Rice County, northeastern Waseca County until 12:15 a.m. At 11:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Morristown, or 11 miles west of Faribault, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Morristown around 11:35 p.m. Warsaw around 11:40 p.m. Faribault around 11:45 p.m. Medford around 11:55 p.m. Owatonna around midnight. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Clinton Falls, Merton, Ruskin, Deerfield, Owatonna Airport, Molland, and Kilkenny. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is weather radio station